Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports.
The Davidson Screaming Eagle Electra Glide Ultra Limited CVO with 31,455 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers, a wind vest windshield, and windshield pouches. It comes equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, ABS, heated grips, heated seats, keyless locking luggage, and a security system with a proximity fob. It's just received a full cam chain chest service, new oxygen sensor, and brand new front and rear tires. Harley set the standard for American touring bikes with the Electra Glide, and this model is no exception. Finished in a slick charcoal slate and palladium silver paint set, this limited production bike stands out from the other Electra Glide models, but it still offers premium comfort and rider amenities that the brand is known for. It's powered by a 110 cubic inch feet twin motor that puts out an impressive 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 908 pounds and has a seat height of 27.3 inches.
This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.